Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how to get this fox eye makeup look. This look is like super trendy nowadays, but honestly, I've low-key been doing this type of look for like a few months now. It's just super flattering on like my face and like really accentuates my eye shape. So I've been loving this look. So yeah, it's super quick and easy, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so today we're going to be doing the fox eye trend, and this trend is honestly something that I've been incorporating in my makeup style for like the past few months. I really love the look of like that elongated eye that's like really catty and like snatched, the little inner corner wing. Ugh, that's like my go-to because I really love the way it accentuates my eye shape. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to do today. This is honestly like a plastic surgery like dupe, if that makes any sense. Like, this is actually a plastic surgery procedure. It's sort of like what Bella Hadid has done to her face. It really gives you like a snatched eye, you know, without getting the surgery or like wearing face tapes or anything. It's really all about your technique and all that fun stuff. So that's what we're gonna do today. Anywho, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to prime my eyes real quick, just like a really light wash of concealer. A light wash of concealer, okay? Very light. Okay, so basically all you need is like two eyeshadows. So I'm going to be using the Soft Glam palette from ABH today to achieve this really quick look. So I'm going to take the shade Mulberry, which is like a burgundy brown shade. And you don't have to take this exact shade, but I feel like this would be a really good one for like my skin tone or whatever. So I'm going to take that on an angled brush, and I'm basically going to do a little wing, and I'm not gonna okay, Perversion mascara. It gives such a cute feline cat eye look that we're all going for when you want to do this little foxy cat eye. Don't know what to call it, but everyone's call it the foxy look, so that's what I'm gonna call it. You can honestly just stop right here. I like the way the eyes look when there's nothing on the lower lash line because it makes the face just look more snatched and like more open, if that makes sense. I don't know. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This was like a super quick and easy makeup look and it looks so cute. It's so simple and just like glam at the same time. I don't know, I really love this look and I feel like it's so flattering. I love it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be leaving all the products that I use in this video in the description box down below. And if you guys want like an updated foundation slash like base makeup routine, please let me know in the comment section. You guys can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all the makeup by Shania, and I'll see you guys in the next video.